Hello, it's Drew Carlucci with Drew Lucci and Fathom Realty, your local real estate agent. In the Rolling Hills new construction community, we have very affordable brand new homes. With only $1,000 down to claim these houses, prices start in the low 200,000s, and interest rates are as low as 4.99%. Everyone knows interest rates are super high right now, and the fact that these approved lenders with Adams Homes can get these rates this low is great for home buyers during these tough times. These homes just got reduced pricing. All of these perks makes these homes very affordable during this time when housing prices haven't been in the buyer's favor. Get in here while they're still available. I'll be hosting an open house with snacks and drinks this Saturday, the 29th, from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. to help you and guide you through this cozy community and to answer all your questions. Be sure and stop by. I'll see you there.